Today I'm taking you to the Great Venetian Resort in Las Vegas. I'm going to be giving you a room tour of their standard room here at the Venetian. Their standard room here at the Venetian is a suite and is among the largest on the strip, starting at 700 square feet. The suite includes a separate living area and a large bathroom. All accommodations here at the Venetian are suites, which means they have distinct living and sleeping areas in their standard rooms. The rooms also include 42-inch flat screen TVs, a bathroom, mini bar, and a safe to keep your belongings. That's just a few quick things I wanted to mention about the suites here. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, here we are at the Great Venetian Hotel and Casino. Over here to the right is where they have the luggage drop off. Right when you enter the front right here, that valet drop off, all you gotta do is walk past the fountain and you'll be right at the check-in for the Venetian. And then of course, the Venetian invited guest at this desk right here. No, I am not an invited guest. Now this place is gonna be fun. We got dandelion chocolate right here at the entrance now. It's a very famous place, but new. I don't remember it being here last time I was here. So we definitely gotta give that a shot. Here's the concierge. And someone leave a comment down below if this Starbucks was here in the Venetian, straight to the left when you enter, before you enter the casino, after check-in. They have a Starbucks here now. I do not remember this being here. It's definitely a nice Starbucks though. Now the part you've been waiting for, the reason why I clicked on this video, is that room tour. So now that we're all checked in, let's head on up to our room and see what it looks like. You still have to go past the casino, but you could ride the wall right here, all the way to the right, and you'll end up at the elevators. Now this wall to the right used to be the food court, but I guess it's under construction right now, so we're not gonna be able to eat at the food court, and I'm a big food court person, but I guess I'll give the Starbucks a try. Here we are. Room 137. So right when you enter, you have the long hallway entrance and you're greeted by your king size bed. If you got the queens, you would have two queens back to back right here, but we went with the king. After you're greeted by the king size bed and the TV, you are at the step down. The step down is to the living area, the living room. The living room is after the bedroom. But it's a nice addition. We got the two chairs, chair 1, chair 2, and of course, we got the couch. Thing about the couch is the couch turns into a bed. And you are greeted by your desk. And this is the desk where you get the money to be able to pay for the room. You have all your connections. This is where you can plug in your phone, you can plug in your straight USB, your own chargers, and then you get your phone. You are also greeted by a secondary TV. So you have a TV by the bed and a TV in the living room. And then the forbidden snacks. Lastly, you are greeted by your own dining table with a view. And this is the Venetian room. This is actually the regular room, which is a suite. This is the lowest room you can get here at the Venetian, which is pretty good. The other cool thing about staying in the Venetian is you are greeted by this huge bathroom. This is their standard bathroom, a full-size shower that I comfortably fit in. It also includes a huge tub that just about anybody could fit in. A separated toilet. And don't forget for the ladies, and that is the full room tour of the Venetian's regular room.